Standard of Practice 1-6, realtors shall submit offers and counteroffers objectively and as quickly as possible. Time is of the essence for many, many reasons.
And you know, this actually is very consistent with the state law in many states, which sometimes says you have to present all offers immediately. Now, immediately I don't think means that you have to go rushing into the person's bedroom at 2 o'clock in the morning when the offer is prepared, but you also can't wait around 2 or 3 days while you're doing other things, because in the meanwhile, a person may revoke the offer, someone else might come in and get that property, and the person losing that property would more than likely bring some type of action or complaint under Standard of Practice 1-6 that the offer wasn't presented as quickly as possible.
Well, I can see as a realtor, if I have an offer to present on your listing and you just took the listing today and you'd rather have everybody in your office show that property rather than have me from the outside show that property, you might try to delay that. And if I write up an offer right away, you might even want to delay that to let other people bring in. And I'm not saying you, John, but somebody might want to do that. Yeah. And so this standard then, very important, it really levels the playing field. By bringing an offer, and I give you an offer, it should be presented, or you should allow me to present, depending upon the situation, the MLS rules, the rules in the state that we're dealing, allow the offer to be presented in a timely and objective fashion.
You know, another issue with this presenting offers is what you do with multiple offers, because that's becoming more and more of a common occurrence where you have a listing and you might have 2 or 3 offers come in at the same time. How are they to be presented? Do you present just the first one that came in time sequence? Do you take the highest one? The answer to presenting multiple offers really lies with a discussion with your client, and it's really the seller, I think, that sets the rules for how those offers should be presented. And you've had that situation, haven't you, where you've had multiple offers come in?
Always a decision. How are you going to present those multiple offers? You're out the door with an offer and the phone rings and you have another one. And on the way to present the first offer and the other one's coming, you get another phone call and it's the third one. How are you going to present all those offers in a timely manner? And you're right, you really need to have something worked out with your client, with the seller of the property, as to how that should be handled.
And also how you should notify the other brokers, you know. And once again, it's the seller who probably would decide, well, now that we have 3 offers, I want you to tell the other 2 buyers about the existence of those offers so that they can come on in and maybe we can get a higher price. Or the seller might say, oh, no, don't notify the other brokers about the fact that I'm considering another offer. You know, I'll just take the highest one.
So again, we're talking about what? Article 1. In Article 1, we're dealing with your highest duty to your client and honesty to the customer.